Good morning dear students, welcome back to your science class. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter number 6 for class 3rd and the chapter name that is keeping safe. Okay, so in the last class we have discussed some concept regarding this chapter, that is we have discussed about the meaning of safety and we have also learned about some basic things about keeping safe. Okay, so we have learned about the some warm up exercise and we have learned what is safety and what is the meaning of safety, what are the some safety rules. We have learned this concept in the last class, and with this we also learned about the how we can be safe at our home, that is safety rules at home we have learned in the first part. Okay, so in this class we are going to discuss about some safety rules at school. Okay, what are the safety rules that has to be followed at school, we will see now. See, keeping safe at school. See the first point, we should not play with sharp object. What is the first point? That we should not play with the sharp object. See, it means we should not play with the sharp object. If we play with them, then what will happen? It will get harm to our body. It will get injurious. So that's why don't play with the sharp object. If you play with them, it will get hurt to yourself only. So that's why don't play with such things. And next thing, that is don't hurt your friends. See, while playing, so dear students, don't hurt your friends when you are playing. When you are there in class, at that time don't hurt them, is it? So this is a kind of safety rule. Next, see, that is we should not try to get into or get off a moving bus. Okay, when we are traveling in a bus, at that time we should not try to get into or get off with a moving bus, is it? So this is the main important thing, you have to follow it. So next thing, that is do not put anything into your and your friend's nose, mouth and ears. See, when you are playing and when you are there in class, at that time some of the childrens, those who are putting pencils, erasers, scale into their mouth, nose. So don't do such things. Okay, do not put anything into your mouth, nose and in your ears. So these are the some safety rules that has to be followed at school. See this picture. Can you guess what is going on in this picture? They are playing. They are jumping from one bench to another bench. They are pulling one another. Is it good habit or bad habit? Can we say they are following the safety rule? No, they are not following the safety rules. Means what we have to do? We should not push our friends and we should not hurt them. And don't jump from one place to another place. Don't jump on the benches. So that shows that is not a good habit. Okay, so you have to follow good habits, you have to follow safety rules and be a good student. Okay, so by seeing this picture you can understand they are opposite of some safety rules. Means you have to follow here safety rules. So these are the some basic rules. Next, what are some other basic rules, some other rules that has to be followed at school? See, do not run on the corridor. When you are at the school, don't run on the corridor. If you run on the corridor, then what happens? You may fall down and you will get hurt. Is it? So if you want to get hurt, then you can run. If you don't want to get hurt, then do not run on the corridor. Just tie your hands back and walk in a line. Is it? So don't run in the class, on the corridor, and also in the playground. Okay, you have to play carefully. This is the first point. Next, just see, we should not slide down from the banister. We may fall down. I have told, don't jump from one place to another place, one bench to another bench. You may fall down and you will get hurt. Is it? So that's why don't do such things. And we should not run up or down on the stairs. We should not run up or down the stairs. See, if you do such things, what happens? You may fall down, you may slip, and you will get hurt. It will get injurious to us only. So that's why don't do such things. Is it? Next point, just see, we must not eat food in a hurry. We should chew our food properly during the lunch break. When you have lunch break, at that time, don't eat those food in a hurry manner. We should chew it properly and eat it. So otherwise it will not digest it. So if we eat it properly, if we chew it properly, then only our digestive system it is neat. So that's why you have to eat your food proper manner and chew it in a proper. Is it? So you have to eat in a proper way. Not only in a school, in home only you have to eat your lunch, your dinner, or it may be a breakfast. So eat it. So you must not eat your food in a hurry manner. Okay, so this is the main important thing. Next point, see, you must not jump or run around the benches. So I have told already that you must not jump on or run around the benches. You may fall down and you might get hurt from that. So that's why don't jump or don't run on the benches and around the benches and also on the corridor. On the corridor, on benches, don't run and don't play in a classroom. Okay, so that is not a good habit. Is it? So this is the one of the safety rule that has to be followed at home. Next, see, never push or hit anyone while playing. When you are playing at the ground, at that time, don't pull or push your friends. If you pull them, then what happens? They'll get hurt. Is it? So, don't hurt them by pushing or by hitting them. Is it? So, never push your friends or never pull them while playing and when you are there in class also. Okay, don't hurt them. So, these are the some safety rules that has to be followed at school. So, what are the safety rules? That we should not play with the sharp object, we should not hurt our friends, and we should not try to get into or get off a moving bus, and do not put anything into your mouth, nose and ears, and do not run on the corridor. We should not run up or down the stairs. When you are getting down, at that time be careful. So do not run on the stairs. And we should eat the food in a hurry manner. No, we should not eat our food in a hurry. We should chew our food properly during when you are taking lunch, when you are taking dinner. At that time you have to chew it properly. And we must not jump on or run around the benches. See, if we run or jump or run around the benches, then what happens? We might get hurt. So that's why don't do such things, and never push or hit anyone while playing. It may hurt your friends. So that's why don't hurt them. You should play in a proper manner, in a careful, by following safety rules. You have to do such things. Okay, so these are the some safety rules that has to be followed at school. So dear students, till today we have discussed safety rules at home, safety rules at school, is it? So what are the concepts they have given in this chapter? That is meaning of safety, safety rules at home, safety rules at school, and playground and on the road. So in this concept we have discussed what is the meaning of safety, safety rules at home, safety rules at school. So these three concepts we have discussed. So what is the next concept? That is safety rules when you are playing the games, when you are in the playground. So what are the safety rules of playground and on the road? That we will see in the next class. Till that, dear students, you have to watch this video once, twice, go through the textbook. If you find any difficulty regarding this video or this chapter, you can contact me. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Till that, dear students, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.